Hi everybody. This video is not about how to fix something in a truck, but that video is how to make a little bit money. Um, the story is about Amazon and Amazon empty trailers. And the thing is that you can make a couple $100 if you find an unattended Amazon trailer parked somewhere in the city. So what happened in my case, I was going back and forth to my office every day, and I see one Amazon trailer which parked there for entire week. So we were thinking, well, something going on. Didn't pay attention to that during the first week, but then I decided to call Amazon customer service 800 numbers, and I reported that I found that the trailer number parked on that area for the last few days, or actually a couple of weeks. So because we are Amazon carriers too, in order to make some money, you just need to tell them your SCAC code so they can identify you as a carrier, and Amazon will assign to you that trailer to deliver to closest Amazon location. And in our case, they're gonna pay us $200, and the closest Amazon location is within 10 miles from the abandoned trailer. So let's see, and I'll show you the procedure how we'll take the trailer from that yard and deliver to Amazon. Let's see where they hide that trailer. It's on just a parking yard. Nobody's on the gates. Different trucks parked all over. Amazon trailer park here entire week. Let's hook it up and bring back to Amazon. It's even says owned by Amazon. We found, please call this number. So that's the right thing to call them and get paid to bring it back. So let's see if the trailer looks okay, drivable. Tires looks okay. Can check what's inside. I want to open it now. This side. Don't see any damages, so let's take it back to Amazon. Here's a freaking surprise, because the trailer was heavy, so I opened the trailer and the freaking trailer has a load inside. It has 3 pallets of bricks. I don't know. We're delivering it to Amazon because Amazon paid us to deliver this empty. That's what we're gonna do. Well, was interesting experience. I don't know how to end up right now in Amazon facility, but the trailer is it's not empty. So the guy who was using it left 3 pallets of, I don't know, the rejected load or something, but there's bricks in the trailer. Well, Amazon paid us deliver that trailer to Amazon. That's what we're gonna do, and let them think what they wanna do with those bricks. Let's see. Well, the guard was very surprised about what's going on, so they say to park outside, I mean inside, and wait for a little bit. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen, because they say they don't know what they're gonna do with the bricks in the trailer. So let's ask them what's gonna happen next. They said to park it on the parking lot, their parking lot, the space they gave me, and then go to office, and they're gonna give me extra instructions. I don't know what kind of extra instructions they can give me. Everything is delivered, but we'll park it on the lot. Let's go to office. They just say you're good, and I'm leaving to check out, so I'm good. I know what they're gonna do with those bricks, but well, in the end, the long story short, we did a good stuff. We did a favor to Amazon. We found abandoned trailer, we brought it to Amazon, and we made a couple $100. Everybody happy. And advice for you guys: in future you see the Amazon trailer parked somewhere outside more than one day, give it a call, Amazon. You got that phone number on the trailer, on the video. Let them assign you that trailer to bring to a closest Amazon, and do a couple $100. Thank you for watching.